at Highland Terrace II in Columbus, Georgia. We're just down the street from so many amazing shops, restaurants, parks, and everything else Columbus has to offer. This community features some amazing amenities such as a fitness center and a clubhouse. Today, we'll be looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look.
Come on in. In every unit, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen, a laundry room with washer and dryer connections, a dining room, and a spacious living room with gorgeous plank flooring. Outside, there's a patio or balcony with a storage closet. Back inside, off of the living space, you'll find a linen closet, a full bathroom, the first 2 bedrooms, and the primary bedroom, which features a large closet and an ensuite bathroom. Inside the clubhouse, you'll find a fitness center, a laundry facility, a wellness center with on-site medical services, an arts and crafts room, and a community room with seating and a community kitchen. Click the link below to book your tour today.